Hello, in this video I will show you how to make reels on Facebook. Now it's a very easy process. So open Facebook and right over here in the home page you will find two options, reels and stories. Now in order to create reels, just simply choose reels, then just simply click on the plus option where it is written create reel. Now you will have the entire gallery over here to choose any reel, or you can click on the camera option at the very top and you can create a reel of your own. So just simply press record and then just simply record yourself and that will become your reel. So when your recording is done, press on stop. Then you can do some modifications if you want to. Add audio, text, effects, it's totally up to you. And in the end, just simply click on next and then click on OK over here. And now if you want to make your reel public, choose that option. And you will also have a lot of options down below like tags, locations. If you want, you can add all of those and then click on share now. But make sure to add description for your reel as well. So it might take few seconds for the reel to be completely uploaded. So wait for a few seconds. And after that, your reel will be automatically uploaded, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.